Alright, so here we go, making a second video for 8.5, quad and their areas, quadrilaterals and their areas. Alright, and these are examples. This will be a level 2 type of stuff. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go over some of these examples, talking about area and perimeter of different shapes. Alright, so let's take a look. Find the area and perimeter. So let's talk about this first quadrilateral. Alright, here's all the answers to everything. We're going to talk about how I got the answers. So here's a quadrilateral. It's a four-sided shape. And I know that this base, if you will, if we put it flat here, this would be 8 inches, and so is this. Over here, this is 11, and it's going to be 11 over here. Now, if this is the base, I have to look for 90 degrees. Right here, this gives me my altitude. So area equals base times height, or base times the altitude. So base is 8, altitude is 10, gives me 80 inches squared. Squared because it is area, 2 dimensions. Perimeter just means go around. So if I go 11 plus 8, this is also 11 plus 8. I add up all that, I get 38 inches. Not squared, just inches, because it's one dimensional. I could take a string and go around it and then stretch out that string. It'd be one dimension. Okay, let's take a look at another example. What is the area of this trapezoid? Alright, so here I got a trapezoid, the roof of a house. It's an ugly roof, but hey, it is what it is. Formula for a trapezoid, area of a trapezoid is right here. And again, hopefully Friday we can prove that. We can show you how that works. But look, I've got one base, 50 feet, another base, 40 feet, and a height or altitude of 25 feet. So I just plug that information in. Add the two bases together, times it by half, and times it by 25. And you can multiply in any order. So I decided to go half of 90, which is 45. Then I used my calculator. 45 times 25 gives me 1,125 feet squared, because we're talking about area here. Okay, so there's that. Alright, so I have got some guided practice problems for you. You can try out. That's these ones right over here. These first two, I want you to find the area and perimeter of both of these shapes. Try it out. And then over here, sketch and find the area of the following information. So go ahead and pause the video, try it out yourself, and then see if you get it. Alright, and if you've come back to me, I'm going to go with the area first. Area for this one is base times height. Okay, so area is equal to my base is 10. My height is going to be 4 centimeters. So that's 40 centimeters squared. Okay, that's my area. For my perimeter, however, I'm going to add all around. So perimeter, I'm going to go 10 plus 5.6, because that's this edge over here. I don't care about the inside, I care about the edges. Over here, I don't have a number, but I know, since it's a parallelogram, that this has to be the same side as this. So that's another 10. And so this side will also be 5.6. Alright, so if I add that together, let's see, I think it's 40.2. Let's see, 10, 20, 30, 42. Yeah, 40.2. Yes, that's correct. So 40.2 centimeters. Done. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing over here. Just go a little bit faster here. So my base is 7. My height is 5. So my area is 35 feet squared. Done. My perimeter, I'm going to go around. So 7 plus 5.7 plus 7 plus 5.7. I'm just going to use my calculator this time to make sure I get it right. So 5.7 plus 5.7, well, that's 11.4, plus another 7 plus another 7 gives me 25.4 feet, and that's just feet. All right, last here, sketch and find the area. So let's sketch a trapezoid. There's a trapezoid. 2 parallel lines, and the other 2 are not. Okay, one of the bases is 14 feet, the other base is 17 feet. And the height, the altitude, is 6 feet. So what is the area? Area is 1/2, the first base plus the second base, and then times it by the height, just like that. All right, so I'm going to take 14 and add 17 to it. So I get half of 31 times 6. And remember, you can multiply in any order. So I'm going to go 1/2 times 6, which is 3. And then I can multiply by 31, which is much easier for my brain to think it that way. That's 93 feet squared, because it is area, 2 dimensions. All right, enjoy.